Hi, I'm Luigi, Product Marketing Manager for Software at Thermo Scientific. I would like to tell you something about how we designed our Segmentation Plus workroom in Avizo and Amira software. We based our design on 3 different areas: improved segmentation capabilities, more AI, and protecting your flow while performing your segmentation. Firstly, we upgraded our most popular segmentation tools to speed up your workflow. The new lasso detects edges between interfaces and follows the curvature of materials with the new spline feature. We also introduced the SuperPixel, which speeds up the selection of materials in samples with numerous phases. Second, we made AI segmentation features easy to access. With texture segmentation, dealing with complex samples becomes simple using shallow neural networks. Finally, we have redesigned the user interface to keep you in your flow. When using segmentation tools, it's important to maintain focus and complete tasks uninterrupted. The segmentation tools now work both at high and low level of zoom, allowing you to toggle between high-speed segmentation and low magnification and high-precision segmentation when zooming in. We have also redesigned the layout of the user interface, grouping automated segmentation features and manual segmentation features for a more intuitive experience. We also moved all our user-favorite commands like grow or shrink from the menus to the main user interface for a quicker access. These are just some of the improvements that we introduced. Stay tuned for more software updates. Navigating our website, you will find more about our segmentation workroom, and you can follow tutorials for common segmentation challenges. Thanks, and see you again soon.